Hey my beautiful roses! Welcome back to my channel. If you're struggling with period pain, stress, mood swings, and tiredness while trying to survive a full school day on your period, this video is for you. I'm sharing real, easy period survival tips that will actually make your life so much easier. From the moment your period starts to the day it ends. We're talking about staying fresh in school, what to carry in your period kit, and simple habits that make you feel clean, confident, and in control. Quick note, I'm not a doctor. This is girl-to-girl advice. So if your pain is extreme or your bleeding is unusually heavy, please tell a trusted adult and see a healthcare professional. Okay? Now grab your favorite drink and your prettiest notebook, and let's get started. Tip 1. Prepare yourself properly. Alright roses, hear me out. Our biggest period struggle is not just the cramps, it's also the surprises. It starts at the most annoying time ever. Like you could be in school, or you're about to sleep. Or you just woke up first thing in the morning and boom, you're on your period. But here's the secret. The calmer and more prepared you are, the easier your period feels. It's time to start tracking your cycle. You can use a simple calendar or a period app to track it. Even if your cycle is irregular, tracking still helps you notice the patterns. Now for some period prep rules. When you're about a week close to your period, start acting like it could come anytime. Put a pad or a liner in your bag. Wear dark colored underwear or clothes if you're going out, and keep wipes or tissues very close. And as soon as it starts, go clean yourself up, put on your pad, tampon, or whichever menstrual product works best for you, and take a minute to reset. Think to yourself, okay, my period is here. Let me stay clean, comfortable, drink water, and move through the day gently, no panicking. This mindset alone helps so much. Tip 2. Build a simple hygiene routine. Now roses, let's talk hygiene. Because being clean during your period really affects how confident you feel. So your period hygiene routine can look like this. If your pad feels full, change it. If your underwear feels uncomfortable, change it. If you've been sweating all day at school, freshen up immediately you get home. Please don't ignore your hygiene. Tip 3. Make a little period kit. This tip is a lifesaver, especially if you go to school. And your period kit doesn't have to be huge or expensive. Just a small pouch in your school bag is enough. Inside your kit, keep 2 to 4 pads, an extra underwear, wipes or tissue, a small nylon bag or pouch for disposal, pain relief if your parent allows it, hand sanitizer, and maybe even a small snack like dark chocolate or banana. And roses, please tell me in the comments, do you already carry a period kit, or are you going to start after this? Tip 4. Cramp control. Cramps can make you feel tired, moody, and weak, especially the first 3 days. So, here's a simple pain plan. Use heat. Put hot water bottle or a heating pad at home on your belly. Even a warm towel helps too. Move gently. Take slow walks or light stretching. I know you don't feel like it, babe, but it helps. Use pain relief meds. Now, this is only if you're allowed to. So talk to a parent or guardian and follow the label instructions. And here's an extra secret. Drink something warm, something like tea or warm water. It won't erase the pain, but it can help your body relax more. Tip 5. Eat and drink well. Roses, during your period, your body is working extra. So if you skip meals, you'll definitely feel it. So you need to drink more water, even if you feel bloated, because it actually helps. Eat iron foods, like eggs, beans, and fish. Also eat bananas and yogurt, and try to reduce your soda or caffeine intake. Full day period routine. Alright roses, it's time for a period routine. This will make you feel more organized, plus it's very easy to follow. So in the morning, take a shower, use fresh underwear, put on your pad, do your skincare, eat your breakfast, and drink water. Now during school, change your pad during break time. Don't wait for an emergency. Wash your hands, then eat your lunch. And at night, shower immediately you get home. Put on a fresh pad before you go to bed. And sleep in comfy clothes. And that, my roses, is how to survive your period. These tips can truly make your period feel easier, cleaner, and way less stressful. Periods may be annoying, but with the right routine, the right kit, and the right habits, they do not have to take over your whole life. So tell me in the comment, Did this video help you? And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and send it to a friend who needs it too. I love you, roses, and I'll see you in my next video.